How do root and sudo work on a Debian server? Imagine managing a computer system where some tasks need full control, but you want to keep things safe. That's where root and sudo come into play on a Debian server. The root user is like the master key holder, having access to every part of the system. With root, you can install software, change configurations, and manage users without restrictions. But using root all the time can be risky because a small mistake could cause big problems. That's why Debian uses sudo, which stands for superuser do. Instead of logging in as root, you can run specific commands with elevated privileges by typing sudo before the command. When you do this, you're asked to enter your own password, not the root password. This way, you only get temporary access to do important tasks, and it keeps your system safer. In Debian, the root account is enabled by default, unlike some other Linux distributions that disable it for security. This means you can log in directly as root if needed. But most administrators prefer to use sudo because it limits what users can do and keeps a record of all commands run with elevated privileges. To set this up, you first install the sudo package if it's not already there. Then, you add trusted users to the sudo group using commands like adducer username sudo. Once added, these users can run commands with sudo after logging out and back in. Using sudo is simple. For example, if you want to update your system, you type sudo apt-get update. You'll be prompted for your password, and then the command runs with full privileges. This method helps prevent accidental damage because you only elevate privileges when necessary. It also makes managing multiple users easier because you can give some users sudo access without sharing the root password. Overall, root provides full control, but it's best to use it sparingly. Sudo offers a safer way to perform administrative tasks by giving temporary root access to trusted users. This setup aligns with Debian's goal of providing a stable and secure environment, especially on servers where security is a top priority. Whether you're installing software or changing system settings, understanding how root and sudo work helps you manage your Debian server more effectively.